Welcome to Bikes Explained, the channel where we break down the latest motorcycles with no fluff, just the details that matter. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Royal Enfield Bullet 650 Twin, a bike that blends classic heritage with modern engineering. Heritage meets power. The Bullet has always been Royal Enfield's most iconic nameplate, and in 2026, it finally gets the twin-cylinder treatment. Under the tank, the Bullet 650 Twin carries the tried-and-tested 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth power delivery, rich torque, and a more refined ride. This engine has already proven itself in the Interceptor and Continental GT, and now it brings muscle to the Bullet's timeless silhouette. Design and build. Royal Enfield has stayed true to the Bullet's old-school DNA, teardrop tank, metal fenders, and upright stance, but given it subtle premium touches. Expect chrome detailing, classic pinstripes, and improved fit and finish. The frame has been reworked for stability, while still retaining that unmistakable Bullet presence on the road. Ride and features. The 650 Twin brings noticeable improvements in ride quality. Dual-channel ABS, a slipper clutch, and updated suspension make it better suited for highways and long-distance cruising. Riders can also look forward to modern touches like LED lighting and optional tripper navigation, while still keeping the simplicity that Bullet loyalists love. Market position. With this model, Royal Enfield is targeting riders who want nostalgia backed by serious performance. Positioned above the 350 lineup, but carrying a more relaxed charm than the Continental GT, the Bullet 650 Twin could be the sweet spot for riders who want a retro cruiser without breaking the bank. Closing. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bullet 650 Twin is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement. Classic styling, a refined twin-cylinder heart, and enough modern updates to keep it relevant. A true Bullet, built for the next generation.